Hello to everyone, this is from Sarah's Garden. I'm going to show you a sneak peek of our small plantation of Hass Avocado. So if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos. This is our Hass Avocado planted in our farm. So this is 2 months from planting. So this is a regular Hass avocado for our farm, and soon to be will propagate this for commercial use. Okay, a little trivia about Hass avocado. So the global Hass avocado market is projected to have an increase of around 4.8% during the forecast period of 2020 and 2025. So in the United States alone, consumption of avocados is more than 95% and has tripled since the early 2000s, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. So in the Philippines, Hass avocado is being grown commercially by Dole, and it is still in limited quantity, and it cannot actually meet the demand of the market. So a little trivia, avocado is a fruit that has experienced a fast increasing demand in the last few years, due in part to the international popularity of guacamole and its global recognition as a superfood based on health benefits. And the fast growth in demand and prices are setting up avocado as one of the top crops to be traded. So if you are interested, you can start planting now. So you can message our or comment below or message our page in Facebook if you want to plant Hass avocado.